Hello and welcome to the episode of Merry Thanksgiving Christmas. So subscribe, hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming episodes. Make sure you check out my holidays playlist so you can get more recipes for the holidays. Alright, so the first thing I did was make a turkey stock, so a turkey broth, and I have a whole turkey wing, and I put this in some chicken broth with some butter and some seasonings, and also a whole onion. I don't know if I said that already. So I'm letting this cook for an hour or two. Of course, if you have a turkey, you can just use the turkey drippings, but I'm going to make this in advance for my Thanksgiving dinner, so I'm making it with the turkey wing, and you can do that as well. You can just buy it in the local grocery store in the meat section and just make your own stock, or you could buy turkey stock too. So I'm going to let this cook. So here's the broth after it's been cooking for about 2 hours. So I'm going to get ready to make a roux. So I'm just going to use some of this broth to make our gravy. I tasted it too. It tastes really good. So moving along. I'm going to add in a half a stick of butter to my saucepan so you can make a roux. Let this melt down, and then we're going to add in our flour. Alright, so now that I have this butter melted, I'm going to add in my flour and just slowly mix that in. One little clump, y'all. Just slowly mix that up, thicken that up. Don't forget, all the measurements will be in the description box. For all of you who ask me, the measurements are always in the description box. So you can whisk this in. I'm just using a spoon. I probably will switch to the whisk. Whisk the rest of this in here. So that's it. Alright, so that's just enough. So I thought it was taping. I actually was straining the broth into this mix here, and I was just whisking it through because I didn't want the turkey to get through, so I'm using the strainer to get all that stuff out of there. So I'm going to go ahead and add in another cup because this was already one. Sorry I missed that, guys. I did not know it wasn't recording, so let me just do the next cup. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add in another cup. So I'm going to strain this through. And whisk that in there. So now it's starting to thin out. And you can make your gravy how thick you want it, how you like it. And my turkey broth is pretty seasoned, so I don't really probably have to add that much seasoning in here, but we'll taste it and see. So you always just want to taste when you get it to the texture you like. So I'm gonna add some more up in here. That's probably it. This is as thin as I would allow it to be here. So you can let that heat up a little bit and just make sure you taste it. This is low, medium, or slow heat. It's in between low and medium. So I'm just gonna taste this just to make sure that I don't need to add anything. And it's really, really good. I don't need to add nothing at all. This is one of my gravies. I usually like to make a cornbread stuffing gravy. I think that like a celery soup can, and that's at the end of my cornbread stuffing video. So if you want that recipe, you can go ahead and head over there. I will leave the link above so you can click on it. So this is it. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into my little container I have for the gravy. Simple, easy turkey gravy. Alright, so I'm going to pour from my pot the gravy in so you guys can see how thick it is. It's just beautiful. Beautiful texture. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Make sure that you do like, share, and subscribe. And hope you try this recipe. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. So I'll catch you guys on my next video. Make sure that you check out my other holiday playlist with other recipes. I thank you guys for tuning in. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.